7 Interesting vegan facts. 1. Environmental impact. The production of animal products has a significant impact on the environment. Studies have shown that animal agriculture contributes to deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Choosing a vegan lifestyle can help reduce your carbon footprint and minimize environmental degradation. 2. Health benefits. A well-planned vegan diet can provide all the necessary nutrients for a healthy lifestyle. Vegans tend to have lower risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. A plant-based diet can also help with weight management and increase energy levels. 3. Animal welfare. One of the main reasons people choose a vegan lifestyle is their concern for animal welfare. By adopting a vegan diet, individuals avoid contributing to the suffering and exploitation of animals raised for food, clothing, or other purposes. 4. Veganism is growing. Veganism is gaining popularity worldwide. According to a study published in 2021, the number of vegans in the United States has increased by 300% in the last 15 years. More people are recognizing the ethical, environmental, and health benefits of a plant-based lifestyle. 5. Vegan athletes. Many professional athletes have adopted a vegan diet and have achieved remarkable success. Prominent vegan athletes include tennis player Serena Williams, Formula One champion Lewis Hamilton, and soccer player Alex Morgan. Their performances debunk the myth that vegan diets lack adequate protein and nutrients for athletic performance. 6. Vegan alternatives. The market for vegan alternatives to animal products has expanded significantly. There is now a wide range of plant-based options available, including meat substitutes, dairy-free milk, vegan cheeses, and cruelty-free cosmetics. These alternatives provide consumers with ethical and sustainable choices. 7. Veganism and global hunger. The production of animal products requires large amounts of resources, including land, water, and feed. By shifting to a plant-based diet, we can use these resources more efficiently and potentially reduce world hunger. It takes less land and water to produce plant-based food compared to animal-based products, making it a more sustainable option.